Boom. So again, it's about vibrating from the now. Vibrating from the now is the key, because if you're worried about the past and dwelling on the future, you're not able to see the present. Message. So remember, the present is this gift that we have that I was talking about earlier, called time, right? Your time is more valuable than money, family. I can't make it up. They tricked you into believing that your time is invaluable. Your time is valuable because you got so much energy that you can spend in this thing, right? In this third dimensional construct, right? So you have to enliven your essence to be able to feel alive. This is about vibration. This is about you moving your being up so you can feel alive. You feel me? So understand that to the core. So here goes some of the childlike spirit stuff right here. Boom. Gotta get you a childlike spirit altar. Can't make it up. You gotta put all the stuff you did on him as a child, right? You gotta get into your bag with this childlike spirit altar. You feel me? You want to put these symbols on this childlike spirit altar because it's gonna help you enliven your being. You feel me? Because then you go back to the place of no responsibilities, right? When you were a child, you didn't have to worry about the light bill and the house bill and kids and da da da. You just woke up and put on that Super Nintendo. You feel me? Shit, I was playing Mario. I was telling my son yesterday. I said, "Yeah, nigga, I was playing all that shit. I beat you in that shit right now too. Shit, that Super Nintendo, Mario World, all of that stuff. I was in that thing heavy, baby. You feel me? Me and my brother used to be, boy, all of that, boy. It was absolutely off the chain. I'm talking about hours. Oh, God. Hours in this Mario world. God damn. I'm sitting there watching the movie yesterday. I'm like, damn, going back to our adventures and trying to beat these levels and stuff. I don't know why it was so hard back in the 90s. God damn, it seemed like we was trying forever to beat that game. Now, you probably just press forward. All you had to do is press forward. Oh, God. Embarrassing, boy. That's how you know this thing is getting more advanced. So yeah, get you a childlike spirit altar. You must get you a childlike spirit altar. Also, let me get the gods out and not shake cards. Hold on, let me find them. Hold on, y'all. I know I'm gonna find them real quick. Krishna. Boom. Work with the guy Krishna. You feel me? You want to work with the guy Krishna because he is going to turn you up in the love for self and the knowledge for self and understanding yourself, right? So this is a perfect person to put on your childlike spirit altar. You feel me? Very, very powerful person to put on your childlike spirit altar because he's just basically a form of Heru as a child, right? Think of the Lion King and think about what was the guy's name? Naya and the Lion King. Think about them playing and stuff like that. This is what you want to get into, that childlike spirit essence. You feel me? Also, go get the God. Y'all know the God. Hold on, let me find them. These are the shake cards. Go get them. Mentalalchemy.com. Mentalalchemy.com. Hey, I only got a few of these cards left. I only got a few of them left, so y'all want to go get them quickly. Go get the guy best. Put him on your childlike spirit altar. You feel me? He's going to bring you that laughter, that smiling, that playfulness, right? You want to put these guides. Let me make the screen bigger. You want to put these guides on your childlike spirit altar so you can tap into your innocence, your knowing, your imagination, your liveliness, your fun, your laughter. You feel me? This is about laughter. Your soul is a comedian, family. I can't make it up. I'm telling you what it is. See, y'all got tricked into believing that knowledge-based shit is real information. That shit is you are not gonna be goddamn dead and having a goddamn robe and saying Om. That's for this world right here. I'm telling you, the spirit world is different. We having fun in that bitch. You think think about this shit. Just really think. This is a logical thing for your ass. You think niggas is gonna be in the spirit world being all serious and stuff. No, we niggas kicking it like the innocence, the now that you are. You feel me? This ain't about no goddamn moralism world that you live in. You will not be doing that shit. I don't give a fuck how high your tie is or how astute you think you are, right? You're not gonna be in that bit. You know, when you transition, you're gonna be laughing and smiling, right? That's the real essence of what? The child. You feel me? So yeah, get that childlike spirit altar up and turn out on your being, because that's going to be powerful for you. Trust me. Boom. Gotta watch your cartoons, family. I can't make it up. Playing video games, watching cartoons, playing sports, right? I'm glad I've reminded myself, because I was looking for another basketball goal. But them hoes be sold out. Them really nice ones be sold out. You feel me? So I gotta look again, because I'm about to put another basketball goal in my backyard and get back to my essence. All of this stuff that you're doing with your childlike spirit is just keeping you in the now. When you're in the now, you're at your highest space of vibration, right? Like we're having this moment right now, right? So if you're in tune, in touch, and not thinking about the past and worried about the future, you're hearing everything that I'm putting down, right? You're picking up everything that I'm putting down, and it's giving you light, right? And this light code that I'm transmitting to you is an energy. You feel me? So in this energy that I'm giving to you is helping you expand your light. Check. What Dusty Lee said, Red and Stippy. Yeah, man, I was Doug. I'm a Doug. You feel me? I'm a Doug. I'm a salute your shorts. You feel me? I remember my brother and me. Yeah. Yo, who remember my brother and me? Yeah, that's me, nigga. I'm a hey dude. Yeah, come on, family. Where y'all at? Come on. I know I'm not the only 80s baby in here. I'm a hey dude. Yes, sir. That's me. Okay, let me pull up hey dude, since y'all acting funny. I'm a goddamn wild and crazy kid. That was me, nigga. What you talking about? Shit. Y'all got me fucked up. That's me. Y'all niggas tripping. Wild and crazy. What was I was wild and crazy kids. Yeah, man, I ain't playing with y'all. I know. Shit. Hold on, let me share my screen. Cause y'all in this I ain't talking to y'all 90s kids. That's D-Ray. I don't know what she they say. D-Ray, they had some funny show. I was like, what kind of show is that? That shit was trash, boy. My shit though, y'all 80s babies. Yeah, 90s kids, Nickelodeon kids here. Yes, that's what I'm saying. We was the real live. See, we the true kids. See, we wild and crazy at heart. You feel me? We was running amok on this thing. Yeah, that's us. Shoot, my screen ain't up. Hold on. Oh, okay, it is. Good. Yeah, that's us. You feel me? Yeah. What was it called? Oh shit, here goes this computer acting funny now. Hold on. Okay, let me go to what was the other one? My brother and me. Quit playing, boy. Quit playing. Act like you know. Act like you know real quick. You feel me? That's me, nigga. I still watch these shows. I love My Brother and Me. What? Quit playing. What? That was me, nigga. Yeah, what's the other one? Hey dude. Hey, dude. Nickelodeon. Yeah, I can't spell for nothing. There we go. I told y'all, hey, dude, quit playing with your boy. Yeah, I loved Hey Dude, nigga. Yeah, that's me. What? What you want to say? What? Okay. Are you afraid of the dark? Yeah, that's me. Chaos in the blood. So you want to watch all that stuff. You want to go back, play them video games and play Mortal Kombat and all that shit. You feel me? You want to go outside and play sports. This is going to keep you in the now. It's going to bring you laughter. It's going to bring you joy. It's going to bring you peace in your existence, right? Because if you don't have no peace, if you're constantly worried about the bills and the struggles of the day and what the government is doing and oh God, CBDC is coming and goddamn all of this other stuff, you are not living in the now. You're living in a future that doesn't exist.